Today we're going to make a recognizable cartoon canary bird. This is the rival to the cat that we made last week. It's a good design to make for your sweetheart. You can actually put it inside of a heart if you'd like to. I've seen that design done a lot. This bird is perched on a heart. So let's get started and make our recognizable cartoon canary bird. So we're going to use 2 yellow balloons with about 4 or 5 fingers uninflated. We need a scrap of a white, not too much here, we just need a couple of eyes. You can use a scrap, I have a full balloon, but you can use a scrap balloon. An orange balloon with about 3 or 4 fingers, tail uninflated. So start with your yellow balloon, one of the yellow balloons, and we're going to make 2 small flower petals. Push the knot through to lock it. It's about 3 or 4 fingers of width. And you want another flower petal the same size. Then we'll take our white, wrap it around those 2 flower petals. So while holding the 2 balloons together from the flower petal, we're going to squeeze and get it soft, and we're going to make about a 4-finger bubble with both balloons. Hold on to that. Hold on to those 2 bubbles and squeeze and make it soft, and make 2 more 4-finger bubbles out of both balloons. Then we're going to bring them together with the 2 white bubbles in the front, 2 yellow bubbles in the back, and grab all 4 bubbles and twist them 2 or 3 times. Now we can break off the rest of the white, we don't need any more of it. Grab the knot from the white and tie the 2 ends together. Now with the rest of this yellow balloon, we're going to come around between the white bubbles and the yellow bubbles, all the way around to the other side. And make sure as you go around that you keep it tight. And make your bubble here as tight as you can, so that it's pulling all of this together. Then we want to make a small pinch twist in the back with our yellow balloon. Now take an orange balloon and wrap the knot into the joint here at these 2 flower petals. And with that orange balloon, we want to make 2 large pinch twists. Now we can break off the rest of the orange, but we want to save it. We're going to use this to make our feet. So our 2 pinch twists are there. I'll let a little bit of air out here so we have enough room to tie a knot. We're going to tie this off. And you want to arrange these pinch twists one on top of the other in between these two flower petals with the 4 bubbles and the loop on top. Like that. Then with our other yellow balloon, we're going to make 2 small bubbles, lock twist them, push the knot through, make a small pinch twist, soften the balloon. Then we want to make about a hand's width bubble, a pinch twist, and come down with a hand width bubble, a pinch twist, come back up, then we're going to make another pinch twist, another hand's width bubble, two small bubbles and lock twist them. And I've run out of room in my balloon, so I need to pop off the end. I'm going to slowly let the air out and just grab a small bubble to make a pinch twist like the other side. Tie it off. And pinch twist it. So there we have the body. And we'll take our head and make a small neck. And wrap this joint into the 2 pinch twists here. And pop off the rest. I lost one of my pinch twists, so I just added the orange balloon in there to replace the pinch twist. With the rest of our orange balloon, we're going to make the legs and feet. We're going to make about an 1.5 bubble, a 1-inch bubble, another 1.5 bubble, lock twist them together, make a pinch twist, and then we're going to push the air to the other end of the balloon and make a 1-inch bubble, 1.5-inch bubble, a 1-inch bubble, and another 1.5-inch bubble. Same thing we did over here, just in reverse order, and we're going to lock twist those together. Push this bubble through, and then take the bubble in between these 2 feet and just split them in half and connect this joint here with our pinch twist. And there we have our recognizable cartoon canary bird. With this character, I like to use blue for the eyes. It just makes it a recognizable character. And we're just going to draw some oval eyes in the front. So draw a larger oval around with the colored in ovals at the bottom. And then we'll draw a couple of eyebrows. And this character has eyelashes above the eyeballs on the top part of the feathers there. As an accessory, I've made a perch for this canary bird to sit in, a swing perch. So there we have our recognizable cartoon canary character.